Life insurance. Life insurance policy is a contract between an individual and an insurance provider in which the insurance company gives financial protection to the policyholder in exchange for monthly fees, that is known as premiums. Based on the arrangement, in the event of the death of the policyholder or if the policy matures, the insurance provider shall pay the person or his family a lump sum amount after a certain amount of time. There are different types of life insurance policies to suit an individual needs and requirements of the policy buyers. Let's see what are the different types of life insurance. Now that you are aware of what is life insurance, you should check the main types of life insurance. First, term life insurance plans. It is a pure risk covers. ULIP, unit linked insurance plans, endowment plan, money back plan, whole life insurance plan, child's plan, and retirement plan. Let's learn further and understand the specifics of each life insurance plans. First, we will discuss term life insurance plan. Term life insurance plans are the purest form of life insurance. They offer life cover with no savings or profit elements. Term life insurance plans are the most affordable type of life insurance as premiums are relatively cheaper in comparison to other life insurance plans. They are also the purest form of life insurance. Now second, we will understand ULIP, that is unit linked insurance plan. The ULIP plan is a thorough mixture of investment and insurance. The premium paid for ULIP plan is partially used as a risk cover and partially invested in different funds. Depending on the policyholder risk tolerance, they can invest in different funds offered by the insurance provider. Then the insurance provider invests the collected amount into different money market instruments such as shares and equities. Now, third plan is endowment plan. The endowment plan is a traditional life insurance plan that is a blend of insurance and savings. In an endowment plan, if the life assured live longer than the policy period, the insurance company provides maturity between to the policyholder. Additionally, some endowment plans may offer periodic bonuses that are either paid on maturity or the beneficiary in case of the policyholder's untimely death. Now I will explain fourth plan, that is money back plan. Money back plan life insurance plans are a unique form of life insurance policy in which a portion of the sum assured is paid back directly to the insured at regular intervals as a survival benefit. This way, the policyholder can achieve a short-term financial objective. Now, fifth plan is whole life insurance. Whole life insurance plans cover the life assured for a lifetime or in a few cases up to the age of 100 years. At the time of purchasing a whole life insurance policy, the sum assured gets determined. During the purchase, a nominee is mentioned. In case of any unfortunate event, they get paid with the death claim and any bonuses if applicable. Nevertheless, if the life assured lives longer than 100 years, the insurance provider gives the life insured with a maturity benefit equal to the endowment corpus. Now, sixth plan is a child plan. Child life insurance plans aim at building a corpus for the future development of a child. Typically, it helps in finding the education and marriage of a child. Such plans provide installments annually or in one lump sum payout following the major milestones of a child's life. In case the insured parent meets with an untimely death during the policy term, future premiums are waived off and the policy benefit continues without disruption. Now, seventh plan is retirement plan. The retirement life insurance plan supports building a stable financial source for an individual retirement year. It helps one become financially independent and allows them to live without any worry. Most retirement life insurance plans offer annual payout or a one-time lump sum payout on the completion of 60 years of age. In case of an eventuality within the policy term, the insurer pays the insurance benefit to your family. Now we'll see what are the benefits of life insurance. Once you are aware of life insurance meaning and its types, there are 4 main advantages of getting a life insurance policy that you should know about. The 4 primary benefits of life insurance policies are financial security, long-term savings, investment options, and tax benefit. The first benefit is financial security. Life is unpredictable and can be full of uncertainties. It is difficult to reduce the possibility of an unfortunate event like death. In such a scenario, the family faces financial constraints arising from the lack of a steady income. Investing in a life insurance policy early on in life acts as a safety blanket during such eventuality. The life insurance provider is obliged to pay the nominee or beneficiary the predefined sum assured. As a result, even in the policyholder's absence, his family stays protected. Second benefit is long-term savings. If one wants to make a long-term investment, it's important to think about life insurance. Such insurance plans helps you make systematic savings and create a corpus, which can be used for several reasons, such as building a new home, financing quality schooling for your child, and funding a child's marriage expenses. What's more, some life insurance policies often offer monthly payouts in the form of annuities, which is an ideal way to aim at and achieve retirement goals. The third benefits are investment options. Life insurance providers offer unit-linked investment plans, which are mainly investment instruments based on market-linked returns and life insurance cover. These market-linked life insurance products provide significant gains during maturity, therefore making them ULIPs a reliable investment tool. Now the fourth benefit is tax benefit. With life insurance plans, you also get tax benefits under prevailing laws as per Income Tax Act 1961. The life insurance premium paid can be availed as a tax deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. You can avail deduction up to Rs 1.5 lakh under Section 80C. So in this video, we have learned what is life insurance, what are different types of life insurance, and what are the benefits of it. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you.